Hey everybody, how you doing today? Hey, I'm going to show you how to refill a refillable propane tank right here using this Viking cylinder propane tank. And as you can see here, it's see-through, a little bit translucent, and you can see the propane levels about right here at this level. So the nice thing about these tanks is they're lightweight and you could easily manipulate them into position, and the collar is a lot wider, so it's less likely to tip over. And these are the empty propane tanks. These are refillable. Okay, and this one here holds 448 grams of propane. So it's pretty simple to use this, just like you would with a metal propane tank. This is a composite Viking cylinder, so it's a lot lighter in weight, but it's definitely easier to manipulate and move around. But pretty much the same thing. We'll attach the tank. I've attached the refill adapter, and then we'll reach in here and turn on the propane. Pretty simple process. So what'll happen is liquid propane will flow down into the tank, and then we'll vent it using this 2mm Allen key. So I've emptied the tank from use and just fill it up. I'll wait for it to, the noise that I hear, the propane flowing in here, I'll start to vent this and let it vent out as soon as I hear the flow stop. I'm also using a scale just to make sure I know that it's full. So now I don't hear any more propane noises. So I'll open it up and allow it to vent slightly. And propane's flowing in there, and I'm allowing the head space here of liquid versus gas. So we're allowing it to, the head space of the gas to allow for liquid to flow in there. It's just a vent that's needed. Of course, in this particular situation here, you want to make sure that you're not anywhere near an open flame, like smoking, or you have a grill nearby that's lit, or a heater. So it's pretty simple. I'm just letting this go. The other thing is I have a magnet here from a hard drive, which I just stick on the metal piece, and that's just to keep the Allen key nearby so it doesn't get lost so easily. So we're getting close to finishing. As soon as I see a jet of liquid propane coming out of the top there, I'll close off the vent, and then I'll remove the tank. I have another one here which I need to fill as well, so I'll wait for this one to finish up, and that's it. It'll be the end of that video, but just want to show you just a couple things. These protect the threads. This is what originally came with this Flame King propane cylinder. These come in different sizes now. They have one that's about half the size of this, and they have a very small one which is used for, like, if you're camping or something, really small, 50 grams, 225, and this one's about 450 grams here. So this tank above us is very lightweight, so it's a heck of a lot easier to work with it. Down below in my storage unit here, that tank down there that's metal, the small one, weighs just a little bit less than this big tank here in terms of the weight when it's empty. So it's definitely a lot easier to handle this thing. And it's been out in the rain, and it's not going to rust because it's composite material. Okay, I'm starting to see some spray, liquid spray of propane. We'll close it off, and then I'm just gonna, at this point, there may be a little bit of propane that comes out of there from the filler neck itself, but that's it. This thing is full. If I turn it on, I should have 1,072 grams in there total. 1,084, so it's slightly above 80%, but it's good enough. It'll burn off in a very short period of time. So it's real simple. These are the refillable Flame King propane tanks, and of course this is the Viking cylinder that's made out of a composite material, and you can see the propane levels right about here. It's hard to see on camera, but I can see that it's at this level right here. Really nice. It's a nice little feature. So anyways, thanks for watching.